Hi, my name is Julie, and today I'll be presenting about the future of transit, specifically intelligent mobility in Pohang. Let us revolutionize public transit for tomorrow's cities. So, what is the problem exactly? The problem is the infrequent bus service and unreliable tracking. This problem impacts us currently as it wastes our time through the bus delays and us waiting for the bus. Missing or being late to events due to the unreliable transit and having to resort to using expensive taxis. Why does solving this problem matter? Well, it improves the quality of life for residents, enhances tourism and accessibility, and reduces car emissions. Imagine a world where public transit is as seamless as breathing, always there, reliable, and personalized. In 10,000 plus years later, with exponential technological advances, unreliable transit can feel as antique as horse-drawn carriages. Before I share my solution, I'll share my inspiration from some cartoons, movies, and TV shows. First, we have the Jetsons, where I looked at the personalized flying vehicles. Next is the Minority Report movie, where we have predictive technology and AI for urban systems. And lastly, the show Black Mirror, with on-demand AI managed mobility systems. All of this leads to my proposed solution, AI-driven on-demand buses. The core idea is AI-powered buses dynamically adjusting to demand, size, and routes. The buses will vary in size, such as mini, regular, extra large, and be set depending on the current number of people at the bus stop and historical data. Passengers will input their destination using an app or at the bus stop to help the AI bus system with its algorithm and analyzing and calculating for what bus size to send. The bus system will also have an efficient skip routing algorithm to minimize empty stops so passengers get to their destination as soon as possible. The technological components to make this system function are AI prediction models using real-time and historical data to know what bus size to send and where to place new bus stops. Autonomous driving to ensure safety and reduce costs, and IoT integration for sending real-time updates to passengers. Think of the transit system as a nervous system. Buses act as the nerves, sensing demand, dynamically adjusting, and responding instantly to keep the city moving efficiently. Using AI, I generated an image of what this transit system may look like with an inspiration using TV shows and cartoons. Now, let's walk through taking this new transit system. So I want to go to the Pohang City Hall. I go to the bus stop, and at the bus stop, I use the interactive screen or the mobile app to set my destination, which can either be a specific place, like Pohang City Hall, or a specific bus stop, Pohang City Hall bus stop. The system identifies the nearest bus stop to my destination. In this case, is the Pohang City Hall bus stop. If multiple people request a new stop, like near a common location, and they do this frequently, the system generates a virtual stop on the app, which can be used immediately and be integrated to the system. And this data then sends a signal to the city for them to build a permanent bus stop. Now, using real-time and historical data, the AI calculates the required bus size for the stop. It considers the number of passengers waiting at all stops on the route, their destinations, and buffer capacity for comfort. The buses intelligently skip stops where no passengers are waiting or no one needs to get off. This ensures a fast and efficient journey for everyone on board. The bus arrives at Pohang City Hall right on time. The journey was seamless, fast, and stress-free, thanks to the system's AI-driven efficiency. Now, I'll explain why this vision will work. There are already proven AI models for demand prediction, such as Uber. We can use this existing technology and expand it to the buses. There's also existing autonomous vehicle prototypes, such as Google's Waymo. This autonomous driving taxi is currently being used in the US, and in the future, this technology will be further developed and thus will be perfect to be used on our buses. And lastly, we can use the existing Internet of Things technology for real-time updates. Similar to how a smart fridge sends us a notification when a certain item in the fridge is running low, we can use this technology for the buses to directly send passengers key information and updates, like if there's any delay with the current bus they're going to take. Now, how will we scale this idea and have a global impact? First, we will implement this idea locally in Pohang. And after we see it working and working well, we'll implement it into more cities and expand globally. In the future, where we start creating new cities, we can use our existing AI model for urban planning and predict and build routes for these transit buses. And in the far, far future, we can incorporate flying buses in our model for intercity travel. The ultimate goal for future transit is a hyper-connected, intelligent transit web that will eliminate the concept of waiting for transit altogether. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and hopefully we can make this vision into a reality for our future cities. Thank you.